Welcome guys, so today I am with this Vivo smartphone and I want to show you a few camera tricks. So the first, when you are in the photo mode, we can make it here a few things. The first one will be definitely brightness adjustment. So take a look. You can just simply tap on the screen and then with this sun icon you can decrease or increase brightness level. To make it automatically, you can just tap on the screen. You can also get more presets of the zoom by tapping on already selected preset. As you can see, after that we'll get this slider, and the maximum zoom in this phone is the 60x. And that's all about this dedicated lens, the periscope lens, this one, that allows us to zoom that far away. Another tip will be about filters that you can find right here. As you can see, they change color and the temperature, and we can actually find a lot of different filters right here. You can also adjust strength of the filter by using this slider. And you can all go for the original by tapping right here. And in this place we can also find the light effects, but of course you have to use you have to get someone in front of the camera, because the phone has to detect the face. The next tip will be right here. When you open this menu, we can, for example, enable this camera leveler. As you can see, it appears right now. Also, we can enable the grid lines, and they help us to take better composition of the photos. When you go right here and click in this place, we can also go for the settings, where we can find other things. For example, when you open the shutter, we can take photo by tapping on the screen. We can take photo by using the keywords, but it's Chinese, so actually I'm unable to say it, to pronounce. And that's also the palm of our hand on the selfie camera. So take a look. The first option works like that, so you can just tap on the screen and take photo. And the second one, when I show the palm of my hand, as you can see, the photo was taken. And we can also take photos by using the volume buttons, the volume up and the volume down. You can click and hold to take series of the photo. The same when you click and hold on the shutter. We can also try to open the more modes, where you can find other useful options. And for example, I can recommend you to use this high resolution mode, because right now we can even go for the 108 megapixel mode. So with this mode we will get crazy amount of the details. I'm gonna show you how it looks. So I'm gonna put this plant right here, and from this view let's take photo, and without this mode I'm gonna do the same. Okay, and right now let's make a small comparison. So this photo was taken with the normal mode and it looks really good actually, as you can see. And this photo was taken with this 108 megapixel mode. I think that right now we can spot here definitely more details. For example, when you take a look right here, one more time. Right here we got the crazy amount of the details. So yeah, I guess that's all for this Vivo smartphone. I hope that this video gonna help you, and remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.